Buying for future stages often leaves you storing brushes nobody uses. The better comparison starts with your child's current routine, grip, and preferred format. Choose manual, silicone, electric, or staged. For decision fit option. Infant-to-Toddler Training Toothbrush Set. I'd choose Dr. Brown's for a familiar brush shape that little hands can start holding. It covers ages 0 to 3 years, so it fits the early learning window without demanding several formats. The self-standing design also makes countertop storage less awkward between uses. But you'll need to rinse it with warm water before and after brushing. It's also less useful when a teething-focused silicone design is your real priority. Skip it if you want a staged kit or something primarily made for chewing. For decision fit option. Step 1 Baby Toothbrush 4-pack. Need backups for home, travel, or the diaper bag? I'd pick Jordan for ages 0 to 3 years when several compact brushes will actually get used. Its wide grip and short neck suit small hands and mouths. The bristles also include a toothpaste guide, while the handle doubles as a teething ring. However, the bristles may not last as long as silicone options. A 4-brush pack is also needless clutter if you replace brushes individually. Skip it if you want silicone bristles or only one brush. For decision fit option. Yellow Banana Infant Toothbrush. This is the pliable choice I'd consider during the earliest brushing stage. Baby Banana uses a single-piece silicone format for babies ages 3 to 12 months. That combination makes sense when you want one item shaped for brushing and teether-style chewing. But its narrow age window means another toothbrush may enter your routine fairly soon. It isn't intended as the longer-range toddler option in this comparison. Skip it for an older toddler, or if you'd rather introduce a conventional bristled head immediately. For decision fit option. Double-sided toothbrush. The grabbies make sense if a standard brush head feels too one-sided for your routine. Its 2-row layout brushes upper and lower tooth rows together, creating a distinct grooming method. It's sized for small hands and covers ages 0.5 to 4 years, giving it a broader window than baby-only formats. I'd choose it only if that double-sided motion feels intuitive to you. The bristles aren't as sturdy as silicone, and the unusual head won't suit everyone. Skip it if you prefer silicone or a familiar single-sided brush. For decision fit option. BabySonic Infant and Toddler Electric Toothbrush. I'd pick Brush Baby when a timed cue would make supervised brushing easier to structure. Gentle vibrations establish the electric format, while the 30-second LED timer gives the routine a visible endpoint. A suction base keeps it standing on the counter, and the brush head is replaceable. That convenience brings maintenance, because replacement heads become another item to track. The small head can also make a full-mouth brushing session take longer. Skip it if you want a simple manual brush or a wider brushing surface. For decision fit option. For stage oral care set system. If you hate researching every transition, Newbie offers the broadest staged approach here. The set spans ages 0 to 6 years and moves through 4 formats. Those stages begin with a finger brush and silicone options, then finish with a nylon bristled brush. I'd choose it for parents who value one planned progression more than picking each brush separately. However, the color can't be selected. You may also store unused pieces while waiting for the next stage. Skip it if you need only your child's current format. For Decision Fit option. Grow With Me Training Toothbrush Set. Frida Baby splits the difference between buying one brush and committing to a full system. You get baby and toddler brushes for children 6 months and older. The toddler brush is intended for around 18 months, and its suction cup bottom supports upright countertop storage. I'd pick this when the next transition is close enough to justify buying ahead. But the angled design provides less brushing surface, and both pieces may not be useful immediately. Skip it for a teething-specific silicone brush, a wider surface, or a longer staged progression. Choose Dr. Brown's for conventional simplicity, Jordan for backups, Baby Banana for early silicone, or Grabby's for 2-row brushing. BabySonic adds timing, Newbie covers more stages, and Frida Baby offers a smaller transition set. Match the format to the current stage, then check storage and replacement burden. Avoid extra stages unless you'll use them soon. Prices and formats change, so check before you buy. I'd default to the simplest current stage brush your routine supports. Switch to silicone, electric, or staged only when that format solves a real daily problem. Links are in the description.